Hi everybody, my name is Nicole, aka Nikki Cakes. I teamed up with Hennasooq to showcase my 6-week hair growth regimen. I was first introduced to Ayurvedic about 4 to 5 years ago, and I have never looked back. I started off with something simple using just henna, alma, and shikakai, and now I have like a whole closet full of powders, herbs, oils that have given my hair so much life. It will always dry with a nice wet look. No frizz. Frizz control. One thing I will not play about: Ayurvedic ingredients will give your hair some length. I challenge anyone that has never incorporated Ayurvedic into their hair care to do it at least once. You will see the benefits that it gives your hair in just one usage. I have been 100% natural now for about 7 years. I have fine strands, my porosity is high, and my density is medium. And also my scalp can be quite sensitive to certain ingredients. So me being able to create, mix up, and apply my own ingredients to my hair has helped me to minimize breakage, shedding, and unnecessary hair loss, and just to retain my growth and moisture. Within these 6 weeks, you'll be able to set your goals along with me and accomplish starting your own regimen, being able to mix and prepare your own recipes and to apply them to your own hair type. Many people may not know where to begin, what to use, how to use it for their hair when it comes to using Ayurvedic. So this is one of my major goals and focus, is to help you guys in order to begin a full, easy, simple routine and to graduate into a full Ayurvedic naturalista.